Silver has just reached an all-time high. And this is not random. This move has been years in the making, and most people don't yet understand what it really means, or how big this moment could be. In this video, I'll break down why silver is surging, what's driving the price, and most importantly, how everyday people can benefit from it, starting right now. Why silver hit an all-time high? Silver has now become the third largest asset in the world, up 157% this year, still climbing faster and faster. Bitcoin's market cap now sits at 1.7 trillion, silver up to 4.4 trillion. So it's quite higher than Bitcoin. Just earlier this year, Bitcoin was higher than silver. Now it's not even close. This month alone, it's up 43%, and just today, it's up about 7%. So I don't know what could slow down silver at this point. Let's talk about why this is happening. Silver is both a precious metal and an industrial metal. That combination makes it extremely powerful. On one side, investors are running toward hard assets. Inflation, currency debasement, rising debt, and global uncertainty have pushed people away from paper money and toward real stores of value. Gold usually gets the spotlight, but silver follows closely and often moves faster. On the other side, industrial demand for silver is exploding. Silver is essential for solar panels, electric vehicles, batteries, electronics, and modern technology. As the world electrifies and moves toward clean energy, silver demand keeps rising, while supply struggles to keep up. And here's the key point most people miss. Silver supply is tight. Mining output hasn't grown fast enough, and silver is often mined as a byproduct, not as a primary metal. That means supply can't easily respond to higher prices. High demand, limited supply. That's a perfect setup for an all-time high. Now let's see why this move could be just the beginning for silver. Historically, silver tends to lag behind gold, then suddenly catch up, violently. When silver moves, it often moves faster and harder than gold. Silver is still undervalued relative to gold based on long-term ratios. That gap creates upside pressure, especially when investors start paying attention. What we're seeing now may not be the end of the move, but the start of a new phase. Let's dive into how you can benefit from this. First, physical silver. Holding silver coins or bars gives you a tangible asset outside the financial system. No counterparty risk, no promises, just real metal. For many people, silver acts as long-term wealth insurance. Second, silver ETFs and funds. These allow investors to gain exposure to silver prices without holding physical metal. They're liquid, accessible, and useful for portfolio diversification. Third, silver mining stocks. This is where leverage comes in. When silver prices rise, profitable mining companies can see outsized gains. The risk is higher, but so is the potential reward. Fourth, long-term positioning. Silver isn't just a trade, it's a strategic asset. In times of inflation, currency weakness, and global uncertainty, silver has historically protected purchasing power. The key is not chasing hype, but understanding the cycle and positioning wisely. It's key to note that silver can be volatile. Prices move fast in both directions. Smart investors think long-term, manage risk, and avoid emotional decisions. In conclusion, silver hitting an all-time high is a signal that money is changing, a signal that real assets matter again. The question isn't if silver matters, it's whether you're prepared to benefit from it. Leave smarter.